Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to add multiple photos on one Instagram story without layout. So let's start the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. I'm going to show in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone or iOS, you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. Let's go on mobile screen. So guys, here you can see I'm my Android phone and I'm going to open the Instagram application. Okay, so just click on this plus icon and click on story. In story the camera will be open. Now you have to upload any photo from your gallery or you can click on it. So I just open the one photo from here. So for a background, so I just select any photo. So I don't have any backgrounds, good background here. So let's see if I took background from. Okay, okay, so just select this one. So this photo has been uploaded. Now you have to upload multiple photos on this same background. If you want to change background, you can change. You go to the this. If you want to make plain background, go to the this three dot. Okay, click on this three dot, go to the draw, and you can get the plain background from this uh, of this color. So you can select any color, just click on it, select color from here, and color will become here. Now you have to hold within the photo for 1 second and just leave it. So your background will be changed. Now you can just click done. Okay, click on done. Then you have to go in this sticker icon and you have to find option like this, just click on it and you can choose photos from your gallery. I just choose this one and you can resize it and you can move anywhere you want, and same step you have to follow to add multiple photos. So this one. Now after done, you can select, click on this next and share on your story. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.